Today, let's unlock the Underhand Matador's Wheel. So the slight difference is, I'll show quickly the race and chase and then the overhand variation, then you can kind of see what makes it different. So with the race and chase, underhand style, you have one hand under the other, kind of like this, and your leading hand stays the same. So generally, let's say if you start with your right hand under your left hand, you're tracing that figure 8, but you notice your left hand is always leading. And beat-wise, it's always one beat on each side. You go 1, 1, 1, 1. With the underhand Matador's Wheel, you get 2 beats. So I'll quickly show the race and chase first. Race and chase, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. With the Matador's Wheel, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So how does that second beat happen, and also how is it different from the overhand Matador's Wheel? So first of all, because with the race and chase, you have one hand over the other, it's always the same hand positioning, you only get that one beat. The second beat happens when you actually switch over, like with the overhand Matador. You switch your leading hand. So what happens with overhand versus underhand is you need to be mindful which one is your leading hand and which one is going to be on top versus bottom. With the overhand, you typically have your right hand starting on top, and then what's going to happen is in the Matador's Wheel, right hand goes to the left, you switch the leading hand to your left, so you have that open. Now left hand's on top, go over to the right, switch it again, so now right hand back on top again, back to the left, open, back to the right, open. In underhand, it's the opposite. Your leading hand's at the bottom instead. So you'll have, let's say, starting here with your right hand on the bottom, you bring it to the left and you go under, so kind of like an uppercut. Under, punching up to the top, and now your left hand needs to go back to the other side, so left hand needs to come to the bottom and then come over to the right. So similar kind of movement, you go open, under, open, under, open, under, open, under. So again, quickly with the race and chase. Race and chase is 1, 1, 1. With the underhand Matador's Wheel, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. With overhand, you get over, open, over, open, over, open, over, open. With under, you're going under, open, under, open, under, open, under, open, under, open. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So similar mistakes to avoid as with the overhand Matador's Wheel. Number 1 is practice without the rope first, because when you have the rope, you tend to do the same thing as you have with the race and chase. You tend to bring both hands over at the same time. So the key goal is your leading hand. You always want to have the leading hand come first, the other hand follows. There's a slight lag. So don't bring them over at the same time. Go 1 and then open. That's going to be the second beat. That open's very important. So make sure that you go 1 and then 2. So not only don't bring both hands over together at the same time, the second one is timing your under, open, under, open. Because if you don't have that good beat in it, then what's going to happen is you go under, open, and too quickly you open, then you're forced again to just add in another loop, and that kind of ruins the flow, right? So make sure you go under, open, under, open, under, open. So showing from the side, you can see with the hand flip, you get the nice movement like that, where one hand goes under, open, under, open, under, open. But if you bring them together, then you're forced to just go like that and then spin it again. Or if you ruin the timing with the under, open, you go under, open, then you still need to like go another round again. So like with overhand, as you get better, be more mindful of your posture. So sure, you can have your hands do most of the work at the start, but make sure you bring your arms a bit closer to you, engage your spine, twist your body a bit. You'll notice again, like the underhand raise and chase, you'll need to twist your back a bit more, because if you don't, you get the rope hitting against the side of your leg, right? So what you want to do is make sure that when you throw to the other side, you're turning your back as well, all right? So not just your arms, but also your back. Twist, twist, twist. Right side going to the left, left side going to the right. Right side going to the left, left side going to the right. And then engage your legs as well. Opposite leg, remember counter rotation, comes up. Right, if my right shoulder is going over, my left leg is coming up. So again with the legs, right side turning, left leg coming up. Going back, I have the right leg coming up. One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. So incorporating lunges, again, the same thing. What always happens is when you throw to the opposite side, that leg comes forward. Again, that's how you get counter rotation. So you throw on the first beat, you lunge forward on the first beat. Second beat is just a whip. So I'll show the timing over here. So I go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. As you get better, you can also incorporate leg lifts to improve balance. So right now I have weight on my right leg. I'm going to be lifting up my left leg. So that happens when I throw it to the left side, right? 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Practice your other side as well. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.